Hello and welcome to this new video on how to upload a story on Instagram from PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Instagram in your web browser or in your PC. And when you have logged in and sign up, you will be able to access your Instagram. And when you are inside the Instagram interface, you just have to do a right click on that interface. And a pop-up box will appear, so you just have to scroll down to the bottom and there will be an inspect option, so you just have to click on the inspect option. And when you are inside the inspect option, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be a laptop icon, so you just have to click on it and you will be able to change into mobile dimension. Now you just have to look on the top left hand side and you will be able to see the device that is currently representing your Instagram. So you can just choose the device that you want, and there are multiple devices you can edit as well. Just choose the device that you want, and after that you just need to click on that refresh button. And when you click on the refresh button, you will be able to see your story. So you just need to click on that and you just need to choose the images or videos that you want to upload as a story, and you can just click on that open button after choosing it, and the story edit page will be shown to you. And in order to upload, you can just click on that add to your story button and you will be able to upload a story on Instagram from PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.